This is going to be a video tutorial on how to adjust the mouse pointer size in MX Linux. Let me jump over to my desktop here. I am on my desktop now. To adjust your mouse pointer size in MX Linux, first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go off to the lower left-hand corner, down to my Application button. I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to go up to the top up here, the little green icon with the wrench on it. That is your Settings icon. I'm going to click on that. Now in the dialog box that opens up, in the Hardware section, right down here, Mouse and Touchpad, you want to click on Mouse and Touchpad. Then on these tabs across the top up here, you want to click on the last one here, Theme. From here you can change your mouse cursor theme, and off to the right is your mouse cursor size. By default it's probably set to the smallest size, which is 16. You can set it as big as 72. You could use the plus or minus to change your mouse cursor size, or you could double click inside that box. I'm going to type in 72. I'm going to hit enter. And that is the biggest you can make your mouse pointer right there. And the smallest, I'm going to change it back to 16. I'm going to hit enter. That is the default size. That is how to change your mouse pointer size in MX Linux. Thanks for watching.